asteroid on its way to Earth is going to wipe us all out like it did the dinosaurs. Okay, this is actually a true thing. Asteroid Bennu is on its way to Earth, and it may wipe out part of civilization as we know it. I'm going to make a whole video about it right now. I'm going to tell you all the scientific facts. I'm going to read it from a reliable source, which I will name in the comments. Buckle up, make yourself a cup of tea. It's going to be a long video. It's going to be super interesting. So initially, scientists were looking at a small piece of the Bennu asteroid, trying to decide whether it held the building blocks and the answer to how life started in the universe. But while they were looking, they suddenly became aware of another threat. It could hit Earth. Now, it's not as large as the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs, but it is still a fair good size. And there's a 1 in 2,700 chance that it will actually collide with our planet, which is no big number. And according to these scientists, it could release on impact 400 tons of dust, ash and debris into the atmosphere, essentially blocking out the sun. Now listen up, this is quite scary. The fact that the sun will be blocked out will cause the Earth to cool by 4 degrees, triggering a global winter. So less sunlight would be also disastrous for animals and plants. The water cycle would also be disrupted, meaning with the sun blocked out, 15% less rainfall would occur. Now, asteroids have hit the Earth before, small ones in the past, many centuries ago, millennia ago. These could have impacted our genetic makeup today. If those odds of 1 in 2,700 do actually line up and it hits the Earth, it won't actually happen for another 157 years. So right now, we don't care. It's not going to affect us, but it will affect our future generations. Scientists have also been bold enough to actually pinpoint the date, saying it will happen in 2182. So unless you're planning on getting cryogenically frozen and living forever, we can carry on with our lives without worrying too much. Many times the Earth has been hit by asteroids, but very small ones. We've been very lucky in the grand scheme of things compared to other planets, except for one notable exception, and that was the dinosaur-killing asteroid that created the Chicxulub crater. This particular crater is 10 kilometers wide, and it hit the Earth and exploded with the energy of 1 billion nuclear bombs. But if we can forget about the impending doom and the destroying of the planet and all that kind of thing, there's some really interesting facts about the Bennu asteroid. Did you know that samples were collected by scientists which contained the building blocks of life? That included 14 of the necessary 20 protein amino acids found in all human life forms. Essential chemicals that form our genetic code. On top of this, even more evidence of life. They found salt crystals which were formed by the evaporation of brine on the outside of the asteroid, indicating presence of water. These findings suggest that the key ingredients to life may be found widespread across the universe, thus increasing our chances of finding alien life. Of course, that's if we avoid full-on contact with the Bennu asteroid. I really hope you found that interesting, and if you liked it, please hit some buttons and follow for some more similar content. I appreciate a repost because the algorithm hates me sometimes. That's the only way you can get out there. But thanks for staying to the end. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it.